Here we are looking at the countdown. Christmas 13 days away, Hanukkah 13 days away. It starts on the same day, and New Year's Eve just 19 days away. I looked at this countdown and I stressed out a little bit. Still have to do some shopping. All right, well, thankfully the weather is calming down as far as those winds go, as far as the fire danger. Right now, looking at Mount Wilson, skies clear out there, but we do have some clouds increasing and changes to talk about. This morning, it's chilly. We've got freeze warnings, we've got frost advisories, so bundle up. And during the afternoon, it's going to be cooler, highs in the 60s. Now, there's a passing storm over Southern California, and we're going to get the clouds from it and even a chance for some drizzle. The other thing, some gusty winds, especially for the coast, the deserts and the mountains. Wind advisory is in effect for the San Bernardino Mountains and the high desert and the low desert. Things are calm right now, but gradually the winds are going to pick up and you're going to feel them. If you're traveling through the Barstow Freeway, careful. Here's the weather at noon, and you see how this map becomes colorful in that area. Gusts potentially getting up to 60 miles per hour. Could also feel a little breezy right along the coast, but notice how inland we're looking at much calmer conditions in terms of those winds. The winds mostly focused in the deserts and in the mountains. Now, we get some amazing photography here in the First Alert Weather Center from local contributors. This is not one of them. This picture, I took it this morning. I was heading into work and I noticed how the moon was just so beautiful through those high clouds. The moon will be at its fullest point as we head into the weekend. It's going to be the cold moon, but we have this full moon impacting our high tides at the coast, and there will be a beach hazard statement in effect starting today all the way through Sunday. Astronomical high tides that has to do with the pull of that moon. So you want to stay out of the water near the coast because the risk of ocean drowning is high and the surf will reach heights from 4 to 6 feet. There's even a potential for some coastal flooding and some minor tidal overflow. So watch out for that if you live near the coast. Today, just a very small chance for drizzle. Other than that, it's cool, and a series of storms passing to our north will keep that cool forecast for us. The base in Orange County, at the coast, highs in the 60s straight through the weekend. The weather in the valleys and Inland Empire, there you see those 60s with a chance for some winds and even drizzle through the afternoon. The weather over the weekend, milder, upper 60s. We're going to keep the clouds in the forecast. High desert, low desert, watch out for the winds. And then finally in the mountains, yes, windy, but also a slight chance for some flurries today. Highs in the 40s and 50s. That's your forecast. Now to traffic. What's going on, Robin?